Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making tissue paper flowers. For this craft, you'll need a pencil, a pair of scissors, a long ruler and some tissue paper. We're going to make a rectangle which is 20 by 50 centimeters. Now we are going to cut this out. We're going to make another one like this in this yellow. And I'm going to make another two more with a different colored yellow. With the brown tissue paper, we are going to cut out 15 by 48 centimeter rectangle. And you're going to make this 4 times. We're now going to hold all of them together and fold it. And then fold it the other way. And we're going to repeat this step a couple times until we get to the end. With the excess, we are going to cut it off. You're going to get a string and tie the tissue paper. You're going to get your tissue paper and cut it diagonally. Do the same on this side as well. You're going to open it out like a fan. You're going to start pulling out the brown colour inwards. You're going to separate the different yellow layers. We are now going to draw a leaf template. You're going to get a blue tack and put it underneath the green card and get your pencil and pierce a hole. Get a blade and cut the stick in half. You're going to apply some glue onto the middle of the card and take your flower and stick it on. Oh, and let it dry for a couple minutes. If your flower isn't secure at the leaf bit, you can use a hot glue to support it. If you are a child, make sure to have parental supervision because this can be hot. We are going to cut out more leaves. We're going to fold this leaf in half. Now you're going to get one of your leaves and curl it like this and apply some glue on the bottom and stick it onto your flower. On the glue to apply some pressure so it easily sticks on.